Today we're making Welsh Rarebit. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making one of my favorite simple dishes, Welsh Rarebit, in honor of St. David's Day. Welsh Rarebit is a cheesy, creamy sauce spread over a nice thick piece of toast and put under the grill to broil. It gets all bubbly and gooey and you get that nice, almost burnt, crispy layer of cheese on top. It's basically a next level cheese on toast. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Feel free to pause. I'll list the ingredients in the description below. The first step is to grill our bread. You want to make sure to have a nice hearty bread, something that's going to hold up to all of that cheese. I'm using a really fancy artisan sourdough here, but any good quality bread that you can slice yourself will do. You wanted a good thick slice of bread. You want this toasted on both sides. And if you don't want to use your grill for this, you can pop them in the toaster. So the sauce starts off by making a roux. So we're going to put in our butter. This is 25 grams. Let that melt just a little bit. Once that butter starts to bubble up, let's get our flour in there. And just stir it through and start to cook that flour down. I like to take my roux until it's just that little bit browned. Gives a really nice nutty flavor. And now we're going to slowly add our beer. So I'm using 75 milliliters. If you don't want to use beer, you can use milk, but beer is traditional and adds to the flavor. In goes our Worcestershire sauce and some English mustard. You can use whatever mustard you like, but I like the kick that you get from English mustard. That mixed in, and now it's time to add our cheese. I'm using a really strong cheddar, but feel free to play around with whatever flavors you like. Now we just want to get that nice and melted in there, and this looks very thick, but that's exactly how we want it. Now that all of our cheese is melted, you've got this gorgeous, thick, cheesy sauce. The great thing about this recipe is you can make this cheese sauce in advance and pop it in the fridge for up to 10 days. So why not double or triple the recipe and you can have Welsh Rarebit whenever you like. And then just pour on your thick, cheesy sauce on your pieces of toast. Get it nice and spread, cover the bread up, and back under the grill. Everyone's grill is slightly different, but these took about 1 minute. Just keep a close eye on them. So cheesy. Using a really strong cheddar here is important because it's the main flavor and it just hits you as soon as it goes in your mouth. And that beer adds a lovely tang to it, and you've got that pepperiness from the English mustard. If you decide not to use English mustard and you use a different mustard in this recipe, I'd suggest using a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper on it. A slice of this with a really nice light side salad makes a perfect weeknight meal. And it's definitely a more impressive breakfast than regular cheese on toast. I hope you fall in love with this recipe as much as I have. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you down in the comments. Happy St. David's Day!